What's up, bro?
Nice to meet you.
How you doing? So you lost the key?
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh, man, it's crazy.
Huh?
Really crazy.
You live here or no?
Yeah.
Oh, you do? You think someone picked it up?
I hope not.
Because I can't erase it unless we do 2 keys for you. So, if you're worried about it and you want to spend the money, we can do 2. But if you're okay with 1, then we'll do the 1. What do you think?
Just
Alright, let's get to work. Yeah, I was like literally like 2 minutes away from you.
fuck, dude. Somebody told me to find that shit later. It's just I don't want to risk it. I gotta go get my car tomorrow.
You gotta get what?
I gotta go get my other car tomorrow. I went to the trash can, trace my stuff.
Yeah.
Find it though.
Well, this way you'll have a spare, you know?
If I do find it,
Yeah.
If not, then shit, hey. Check my trunk too. See in my trunk, yeah.
Oh, you looked inside the trunk?
Yeah, I was looking there under the seats. You can find it.
No.
My baby probably took it somewhere.
Yeah.
That's probably what happened.
Yeah, how old?
2 years.
Yeah.
So I was like, alright, cool. Shit.
Yeah.
I gotta fucking make that call.
Well, that's cool. I got kids too, so I appreciate the business.
Man.
Tell your kids I said thank you.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Right on.
Okay, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 3. Push that.
Shut up.
Got 1 option. We'll cut that. Did I lock it just now? I did lock it. So your key and remote were all together? One piece? Okay.
Oh, no.
It was 2 separate? Okay, let me just see, because if it's... I'll do it all together. Yep. So it'll be like this.
Okay, time.
All right.
Cool.
Yep. So what's your other car?
Chip Cruise 2011.
Oh, gotcha. You having some work on it or something?
Yeah, getting work on.
Let's see, we got 08. Well, from when I got here till I leave should be less than 10 minutes.
Yeah.
So. Let's park it up.
Huh?
We'll let you hold the phone, okay?
Yeah, gotcha, man.
Okay. Let's program the remote. Okay, the remote's in. You see that security light that's blinking right there? That's your chip. So I'm going to program that and then your car will start. You ride with the seat this far back?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah?
Sometimes.
Really? I can't do it.
Like to lean back, you know?
Yeah.
But when I'm driving, I ain't gonna lie, I'm sometimes sitting up, even though it's leaning back like that. I'll pick it up a little bit. Yeah.
That's funny.
And then when I get to relax, it's like that.
Yeah.
It is uncomfortable sometimes, I ain't gonna lie.
I couldn't see the traffic like that.
Yeah, bad.
Maybe it's an 05? I know you said it's an 04. I think it's an 05.
That's what I'm saying. I'm saying it's an 05, but this shit says 04 right here. So I don't know
So
what
is it like, yeah, 1204 is really an 05.
Yeah, see, I was like, fuck, I didn't want to give them the wrong shit. You know?
Oh, yeah, you're fine.
I was like, thank God that was open.
Yeah, well, if I did, actually, I cut the 05 key. If I cut the 04 key, then it wouldn't work, so.
Oh, shit.
But yeah, it's learning right now. Next key now. All right, we're all done.
Yeah.
I gotta check my time from when I got her to when I'm done.
You're fucking getting.
Let's check it.
Yeah.
I called you. What? 6:18 right now. I called you at 6:11. So.
Fucking 7 minutes.
There you go.
Oh man, that's how you get it done there.
Yeah.
Gotta get it.
Thank you.
There we go.